What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to tell you all that you need to know about the TOPAZ NFT marketplace. But before I move further on this video, please scroll down and please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Crypto Sage. On this channel provide useful updates on cryptocurrencies, how-to videos, so please make sure to subscribe, like, share videos, and make sure to turn on the bell button so as to get notified when we drop useful videos like this. So let's go straight into the video. Now the TOPAZ NFT marketplace is an NFT marketplace that provide digital platform for buying and selling NFTs. Yeah, in this platform it allows people to store, to display their NFT. You can sell them for cryptocurrencies or for money. Lately there've been a lot of things going on in this platform, with the aptos monkey being the #1 trending NFT on this platform. So definitely you want to dive into this NFT marketplace to make as much as you can with it. So there are a lot of things to know about this platform, but one thing I really appreciate about the platform is that it is very easy to use. Right here you can see new collections, but still you want to be careful because there's a warning sign here that says this project automatically displays from on-chain data and have not been evaluated. So there may be projects displayed that are scam, potential IP infringement, or offensive. So always do your own research. So you want to also be careful while choosing NFTs to purchase. Right here you can create NFTs. Right here on this place with your launch pad you can create NFTs, and to really participate in this NFT marketplace you need to connect your wallet. There are different aptos wallets like it is listed here: the Petra wallet, Rise wallet, Pontem wallet, the Martian wallet. We actually created a video on how to use the Martian wallet extension on your PC, so you can go over to our YouTube channel to check up that video. So to connect your wallet, your Martian wallet, assuming you've created one, you can simply go to this point that says connect your wallet and just choose the Martian wallet. So right now I'm going to connect mine, so you just have to stick and see how I do that. Okay, so this app would like to request transaction, view account balance, view activities. Definitely I need to approve this in order to be able to buy or sell NFT in this marketplace. So I'm going to click approve to connect my wallet. Okay, so here's my wallet. Like you can see, my wallet address is right here. So if I should click on it, it will show me option to either disconnect it, but since it has been connected to this marketplace, whenever I want to purchase or buy NFTs with the aptos token, I can easily do it because my wallet has been connected to the TOPAZ NFT marketplace. So guys, if you want to learn how to connect the Martian NFT or create a Martian NFT extension on your PC, please go over to our YouTube channel and check out the video. Make sure to like, to share the video to those who you know would actually need it too. So that will be all for today's video. I want to also mention that you can follow them on their Twitter. You can follow them on Twitter. If I scroll down, you can follow them on Twitter and join their Discord community. So that will be all for today's videos, guys. If you like this video, please make sure to like, to share the video. Do not forget to subscribe, turn on the bell button to get notified when we drop new videos like this next time. Crypto Sage signing out.